Here I've got SHARP Aquos S2 and let me show you how to add an alarm on the following device. So at first you have to find and select clock application, it's here, and now tap on the plus icon, you will definitely notice it. Select the hour on which your alarm should ring, it can be 6:30, and then select if you would like to repeat it or if it should be just a single alarm, but I will make a rule, so let me pick for example Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Click on done, so it will ring on every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Then let's change the label. It can be the morning alarm, so wakey wakey. Click on done to save it. Select if you want it to vibrate or not. You can switch it off and on. And very important thing, you have to select the ringtones. So as you can see, you have several options. And I will pick the moment. Let's go back, and finally let's select the background image. Click here. You can pick one from the gallery or make a new photo, so let me make a new one. Click on OK to save it, and now this is how it will look like. So tap on OK to upload the changes and click on OK to save the whole rule, the whole alarm. So as you can see here, on every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday at 6:30 the alarm will ring. If you would like to switch it off just for some time, for example for holiday, simply tap on this switcher. However, if you would like to delete it permanently, just keep holding on the alarm and click on delete alarm. And that's it. This is how you can delete it permanently. So that's it. From now on you are able to set up the alarm, set up the whole rule. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.